So it seems that the Social Security workshop scams are back in full vogue now that we're past the COVID stage. We have clients telling us that they're getting weekly phone calls and cards in the mail for free dinners, often at very good restaurants. I always tell people you're welcome to go and get a free meal, but it's kind of like going to that timeshare. You get 2 nights for free, but you have to listen to the 3 hour pitch, and they can be very convincing. So this is how it's working in the background. They essentially go out and book a restaurant. They invite lots of people to come to learn about Social Security and how Social Security works. There are books and videos. We have podcasts about that. You can get for free without leaving your house, or you can listen to it in your car. But if the idea is that they want you to come, you want to learn more about Social Security and how you should take that. And then at the same time, they're telling you about annuities and how great they are for you. They only tell you the good things. There's more negatives than positives for annuity sales. But essentially, from the business standpoint, once they get you on the hook, they get your name, the number, they'll call you, they want you to meet with them, and then they will try to sell you that annuity. When they sell you that annuity, they're getting anywhere from a 6 to 10% commission on the annuity sale. So that's how they're able to pay for the dinners in such mass quantities, is because just a few annuity sales covers the cost of the event. After a couple of clients sign on, everyone else is just pure profit in their eyes. So essentially, it comes down to annuity benefits the salesperson. It has very little benefit to the person purchasing the annuity. We even have a free download on our website right now why you should avoid the annuity salesman. But the free dinners, while they seem appealing, I think it'd be much like the bad taste left in your mouth after going to that timeshare meeting, and I typically would just stay away. There are people who do put on great educational workshops, but unfortunately they're typically not centered around very expensive dinners. Thanks for watching. Please reach out if you have any questions.